Morning, everybody. Today is Friday, February 12th, and here are your announcements for next week, February 15th through the 19th, 7th week of third quarter. Remember that Monday and Friday there are no school, that's grammar, because of President's Day and because there's a Teachers Institute Day, School Improvement Day, whatever you wish to call it. Cool beans, junior high kids. Next Friday, remember that there's no school. It would normally be a band day for my 5th graders, 6th graders, and 7th graders. 8th grade lessons are next week. 5th grade drummers, bring your snare drums next week, please. Don't bring your bells. If you are quarantined, you are welcome to log into Google Classroom and use the Zoom meeting link to Zoom with us on your band days. If you are interested in doing jazz band or show choir combo, make sure that you sign up at these links. They should be available for you. If there's a problem with them, please let me know. Here's the schedule for if you're at home quarantined and you would like to join us. Go ahead and click on that. All right, high schoolers. Next Friday would also be a band day for us, but remember there's no school. If you're quarantined, go ahead and use Zoom to join us. There is pep band on the 25th at 6 o'clock p.m. is going to be our call time. Seniors, they might ask you to be there earlier. I don't know. It's going to be senior recognition night for us. So that'll be cool. That's not next Thursday, but the Thursday after. Theoretically, we might have marching band. I don't know. It's still up in the air. I have made a schedule anyway. It's tentative, and obviously if we are asked not to march, then we won't enact it. But I did want to give you at least some dates so that you can put them on your calendar and block out those times. I'll talk more about those in class. If you're interested in show choir combo or jazz band, make sure that you've signed up. We're getting that ball rolling pretty quick. So that's all I got for today. High schoolers, make sure that you check your email for this announcement, but 2, also the marching band dates will be attached as well. Just a note about those, you do not have to attend every rehearsal. I gave several options per week, knowing that some of you guys are busy on some days. So there we go. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you or if you need anything. Bye.